Hello friends, today I am going to show a tutorial on how to make a Guts Gobbler. For that you need a square sheet. Okay, let's start. Fold in half like this. Unfold it. Fold in opposite side also. Unfold it. Fold this corner to this line. Repeat it in the other side. Unfold it. Fold this corner to this middle line. Repeat it for this side. Unfold them. Fold this corner to this side. It should be in the middle line. Repeat it for all four sides. Unfold them. Now, you should take this corner and push this. So, get like this. You should get like this. Repeat it for all four sides. Now you should get like this. Fold this corner to this corner. Repeat it for this side. Now you should make a mountain fold. Mountain fold means you should fold any corner to the front and to the back. Then you should tuck it inside like this. You should tuck this corner inside. Repeat it for the other side. Now you should get like this. Fold this other half behind. Now you will have like this. Fold this behind. You should get like this. Fold this corner behind. Repeat it for this side also. Now you will have 4 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you add this layer, it will become 5. So now you take this layer and finally we have got a Guts Gobbler. You can modify it by putting scary eyes. I made another one like this. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Bye.